How to fix Robinhood trading errors. To fix Robinhood trading errors, you would start by checking your internet connections. So first of all, exit out, go to settings on your device and go to network and internet. Over here, you just want to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet as well. Other than that, you could also try updating the app. Head over to your respective app store, type in Robinhood on the search bar, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. However, if none of these steps work, what you also want to do is you could also try ensure you have enough buying power, that means funds, to cover the trade, including funds as well. Next, you could also log out, or you could also expire the session. That means clear the app cache in your phone settings or log out and log in back as well. Next, you could also verify your bank is linked via Plaid and check if you've exceeded your instant deposit limit as well. And if you have a margin account, you're going to ensure your account's maintenance or minimum balance has not dropped below required label, as this restrict crypto trading as well. So this way you're supposed to fix Robinhood trading errors. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.